वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा विद आशा। जैसे कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं, मैं आपको जीके कवर करवाने जा रही हूँ, जिसमें हम जीके के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं और साथ में इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है बच्चों हमारा कि इंडिया, जापान और डैश एग्री टू लॉन्च अ रिसिलाइंट सप्लाई चेन इनिशिएटिव इन द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन। क्या वह ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, चाइना है, रसिया है या श्रीलंका है? तो प्यारे बच्चों, आइए इसका आंसर जानते हैं। तो आंसर नंबर ए, ठीक है, जिसमें इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है ऑस्ट्रेलिया इसका आंसर है। जो इंडिया और जापान इकोनॉमिक मिनिस्टर जॉइंट सेटलमेंट ऑन सप्लाई चेन रिलायंस वॉज हेल्ड ऑन 1 सितंबर। ठीक है प्यारे बच्चों, the virtual meeting comprised of the Minister of the Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal. So, who is the Minister of the Commerce and Industry? Piyush Goyal. Australia Minister was Trade, Tourism and Investment Centaur Seaman, and the Japan Minister of Economy, Trade and Industry Kajiyama Hiroshi. ठीक है प्यारे बच्चों, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग coil into synthesis gas is called A. Congas, Xenex, coil, Sencase, hydrocarbon gas. तो right answer is option number B. The process by which coal gets converted into synthesis gas is referred to as a coal gasification, and the synthesis gas is also called a cyanide. Cyanide is a mixture of the carbon monoxide, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. Thus, gas is used in application like making fertilizer. Next question, question number 3. Which department is observing Swachhata Prakvada from 1st to 15th September 2020? Department of Strategic, Department of Fertilizer, Department of Ayush, Department of Coal. Right answer is option number B. Union Department of the Fertilizer, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer is observed Swachhata Pakhwada from 1st to 15th September. Which date? 1st to 15th September 2020. All public sector undertaking PSUs, other organization under the department are participating in the Swachhata Abhiyan. Question number 4. Question number 4. Who is the current Union Minister of Coal and Mines? A. Suresh Angadi, BT. V. Sadanda Govta, C. Jagdish Shettar, D. Prahlad Joshi. What is the right answer? Right answer is option number D. Prakahat Viknatesh Joshi is the current Minister of Coal of India, with an industrial portfolio of parliamentary affairs in central cabinet under a Prime Minister Modi since May 2019. Question number 5. Who developed Pinaka missile in India? A. HAL, B. R. DRDO, C. Honeywell, D. IBM. Which is the right answer? Right answer is DRDO. Pinaka is a multiple barrel rocket launch MBRL system produced in India for Indian Army. It is developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. This missile have a guidance kite bolstered by an advanced navigation and control system. Question number 6. India aims to achieve 100 MT coal gasification target by dash 2024, 2025, 2028, 2030. Which is the right answer? Right answer is option number D. India is currently aiming for 100 million tons empty coal gasification by 2030. The announcement was made by the Prahlad Joshi, Union Minister of Coal and Mines at a webinar organized by the Minister of Coal MOC in New Delhi. Question number 7. Which is the multi-barrel rocket launch MBRL system produced in India? Hana, Agni, Pinaka या Negi? Which is the right answer? Right answer is C. Pinaka is a multi-barrel rocket launch MBRL system produced in India for the Indian Army. It is developed by Defense Research and Development Organization DRD. These missiles have a guidance gates blaster by advanced navigation and controller system. Question number 8. Who developed world's largest solar tree? IMD, B, CSIR, CMER, CSCTMS, HAL. The answer is B. Correct answer is option number B. Council for Scientific and Industrial Researcher, CSIR, Center Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, CMER, has developed by the world's largest solar tree at Durgapur, West Bengal. The capacity of the installer solar tree is above 11.5 kilowatts peak. It has an annual capacity of generate 12,000 to 14,000 unit of clean green power. Next question is question number 9. Government of India signed dash contracts to supply army regiments with the Pinaka missile. 800 crore, B 1675 crore, C 2580 crore, D 3285 crore. Right answer is option number C. The Ministry of Defence has signed a contract to supply 6 Pinaka Regiment, a system of rockets launcher, to Indian Army, and the approximate cost of missile is 2580 crore by 2024. Question number 10. Former President Pranab Mukherjee, who passed away recently, served as a President of India from A. 2009 to 14, 2010 to 15, 2011 to 16, 2012 to 2017. The correct answer is option number D. Former President Pranab Mukherjee passed away from 13 August 2020. He was 84-year old. He passed away due to ill health. He served as 13th Prime Minister of India 2012 to 2017. यदि आपको मेरा YouTube चैनल का GK लेक्चर पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें। ठीक है प्यारे बच्चों, यदि किसी बच्चों को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो मेरे GK के लेक्चर में तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट के ज़रिए आप मुझे बता सकते हैं या कोई डाउट हो तो। ठीक है प्यारे बच्चों, थैंक यू वॉचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा विद आशा। थैंक यू सो मच।